this is Randy again with the man who I call the herbal soldier. So I respect that man out. Him say something to me the first time and talk about his grandmother age and say she really grown. So I know say he had the transcendent of information. And they say, once I know say I'm a countryman and then start talking about castor oil.
Yeah,
I respect countryman to the fullest
countryman,
because
man. No,
I know I respect town man too, you know, but the challenge with the town man then the level of sharing and caring and protecting. Kinda, the tree never there around them for help them and
they
love
have to
them.
there with the caring and protecting, you know, because for them stay alive is a concrete jungle, you know.
Yes, sir.
So when you're doing concrete jungle, we have the woods, live river, live pond,
Life.
tree, green grass, muddy land down there.
We don't kill man just because.
No, we don't kill man, we build man, you know.
Yeah.
More girl, more boy picnic in that place, you know. Simple. We don't talk about destroy, because devil like when you destroy, because you're in my work, you know. And you come and live in a hole and go and feed move, because you can't fly, you know. Mankind can't fly. I just say, go, man.
Yes, sir.
Where you go, man. I choke 3 months on him head down there, you know. And him fly go come down halfway, you know, kind of drop all the way, you know. If he drop all the way, he won't down and get trouble. See where you go, man. Like the boy Satan, man, in danger.
You still a fall in jail.
What you say?
You still a fall.
You say how win?
Yeah, man.
You couldn't take impact.
He couldn't take
jump on the road.
No, man, you know, mash up, man. So father just make him push him out that place, because he knows he can't fly, you know. Then push him out, make him drop on the neck halfway down the road. The father never rate him, man. Father go on like, he want to style father up, you know. Because if father tell him that he can't make up with something, and he go make up with something, he don't want to tell father to put in his, now want to tell father to show him how to put in his something. And he not hear what father say all the time. Because he want to style everything and not put the boy in that business up there. You know? So father tell him down here, so he there down here for a week. Down here, live. And when he put in a trouble, he just gone and left you again. You support some rich man, a lawyer get paid for you. A doctor get paid for you, judge get paid for you, and judge not do no work. Judge go sweep up the road. And judge get paid for you because you have the stupidness to kill man and walk up and do it. A bit of a place, man. You know, I make African nice again. You make African man ball. The African run as much for the white man and married, you know. We run as much, so we're supposed to secure down and sit down on the table and make whites run. But we don't do that.
Yeah, man.
But if we make whites do, we run and pick up the apple them because we have enough apple and mango, pear tree. Yeah, man, they go taste the goodness of life, man. Because them depend on them Babylon business, you know. Straight baking and then sitting there, you know. KFC, McDonald's, them depend, you know. We say straight fruit, ripe and tree, brother picking and we eat, you know. Yeah, man, a good medicine. Flush system, straight, all fruits ripe, we say. Fruits we eat every day and night.
Yeah, man.
We are cooked on the pullets because we tongue poison for mama days, because mama day we cooking, you know. I just want love, man.
Before you make love to your girlfriend, you give her an apple?
Yeah, man, if you give her something nice, man, make she have good vibes, man. Because you see, calcium and energy and vitamin, if you don't do them something there, you know, you have in your body, you know, you're not going to have good vibes, you know. You're weak, man. I am happy in the body. So the girl, if you eat a nice meal, get a nice shower and thing and come into you, you know, because she have a steam out.
What you deal with in your system before you deal with your woman in a romantic way?
Yeah,
What do you
suppose me
drink?
not have nothing.
What do you
Suppose
like
me
to
not have
eat?
nothing. Suppose me not have nothing. Me just drink some water and me settle down myself. Suppose me have food. We get a bottle of roast, man. Me drink up, man, and nice up myself, man, with some nice melon, man. Well sweet melon. You eat down to your skin. And you come more up. Agony down that place, you know, because no need attack, you know. Because no need in juice me I drink, you know, simple. But
the roots?
Yeah, but take no need easy, you know, no need out.
No need in the roots?
Yeah.
And the whisk?
All the whisk them in the roots already.
Yeah.
So if I say roots,
so Baba
we say
roots
many,
you say?
No, we say many more.
And many more roots?
Many more roots, man, Baba roots. Many more roots.
The brand is many more roots?
Many more roots, more Baba roots.
What you say
many
to
more
me?
roots.
You make that Jamaican?
We have many more roots than what Baba roots put on his label. Because he have ingredients label we have on his bottle. So we have at least 100 more can put on that.
I see what I'm saying. So you make your roots yourself?
Myself, that's why they call me Juggies. I don't like the name Juggies because people feel say I'm a stocky or a cokehead or a herb,
sir,
you know?
that's the
But
real thing.
the herb when we know, people say me a Juggie because I can tell us that they don't eat that.
Yes, sir.
Donkey weed that, a fever gas that, some people can't do it.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what's bush that. I don't learn from my little boy.
So can you make some roots for me?
For me get the roots from my bingo. Because you have to go to tanning wood. I mean jungle. Tanning wood at Jamaican patois. jungle for the right product. They mean they hide. They mean they're sleeping.
And you know them.
I know them. Hard work, and the jungle is very tight. If a man know about army life, you know about the jungle. The jungle is a nice thing to walk through. Insect, creatures, animal.
I could check on the
Trees.
food. I could check on the
Run
food.
grass.
Food time. Chef, where you sit now? How it looking?
Let's put that piece of paper and like color load and make it pretty spicy, you know?
Color, pepper. A food soon done. Everything together. Jamaica good life. Everything we said. Togetherness, love, honor, respect.
Together with strong man.
Yeah, man.
Fight
No
with
more
fire.
killing, you know. Keep Jamaica good life is about figuring it out with your brethren. Killing is for the devil.
Well, all the Babylon and cause it, you know, because you don't want the youth them stretch out the thing, you know. Because if the youth them get stretched out, they don't think about no killing and a pay willing for the girl, them, you know. See, every man want to have a partner, you know, see it? And kick back. But because you know nothing, you have to think about killing to be a brute force, we have the money. The power of money, you know. So if you do the killing, we have more money to them. But them don't know so the devil come on the side and make them sink. Because Babylon stronger every way, because Babylon have the power to do will.
But you know, still, this is why we produce the show, because we're anti the destruction of our place and our race and the Jamaican beauty, you see? So we say Jamaica good life. You see me? Good life meaning farming.
Yeah, man, you wake up in the morning, man, you say, praise the Lord, man, thank you God for waiting for one more morning, man. You go to your farm and see your banana and shoot. You can see your cabbage and grow, you cover her cap. Good life. Man, I go to sea. Man, I go for a trip. Good life. Man, I go to foreign, go visit the snow and come back. Good life.
Yeah, man.
Man, I wake up and sickly and dead and they're hospital and a pain and them something. We don't talk about that. We talk about good life. You know, I'm going to courthouse, go pose up. You just disrespect you.
Yeah, man.
Good life I talk about. Wake up and some right banana in your house and the food later. Good life we are talking about. Pick them up come from school and tell us them pass them exam. Good life we are saying. See me? Yeah. Real man.
Don't forget smoking the marijuana.
No. I don't want the kids them get this wrong, you know. When you're a kid, you have to be a kid until you get adult, you know. You must pick a choice what you want to do. You want to get junky, you want to be a smoky, you must know what you want to do. But don't be a smoky before education. Make sure you know what you do, straight up.
So the youth them should be like 21 before them start hit the earth.
Yeah man, finish college man. But most of them smoke, you know. Because them boy nowadays them smoke, go to school and pass all the exams same way. But good vibes when you know that.
Check on the artist. You make a good life. See that you're a wicked chef, you know. We honor you, respect you, and love the work that you do and provide for the people. Continue to hold up the culture.
Thing set, man.
So now you take the shot saltfish and
Yeah, man, I start with starfish different from the aki, you know?
hold on. Let's see if we can turn this on. So you cook the saltfish in the ackee to give the ackee the salt,
Yeah, man.
and
Yeah,
now
man,
you take it
remember,
out the
you know,
saltfish.
I boil up the salt, you know. So whatever salt, you know, we actually going at the aki, you know. I say things, you know. I share, we are share, you know. You understand? No problem.
These are the best Jamaican life I've ever had. In many years, hanging around your brethren, man, is a glorified experience. And because man a countryman and the man respect the earth and the man is a samurai. Respect the wisdom we have. When I meet you, I know say you're real.
Cool man.
You see me, I'm respect you, honor you. But I still think say breadfruit and honey must make waffles. That is my mission in life. Come on, like the bread.
Yeah man.
The bread is a processed thing.
Bread put a
See
real
me,
man.
bread, I'm a friend.
Yeah,
Enough time eat bread slice, you know, and it's nice.
Yeah.
I put butter palate and sometimes meat it with rice. But bread, I'm a friend.
Yeah man, Babylon thing man.
Can Babylon bring in the processing?
Yeah, Rastafari.
You know, bread, I'm a friend, my lord. You can't call it wheat, meat, street, me not care. Bread too expensive and here, breadfruit free.
Yeah, man.
Free pan tree.
Breadfruit is for me.
Jump up and ripe
You see
and
me when
mash.
you roast that, they stay.
All the best we need.
Breadfruit stay long forever.
When breadfruit ripe, you know, make ice cream with it, make punch with it, you know. People say it's spoiled when you see it ripe on the tree. Good theory, not
You see, you know what I show you I got to the Jamaican man there, man. Them a go long watch and the consciousness now. And I say to them, say, we're born for plant tree now. That's what we're born for.
Yeah, I made the earth cover called the government for the earth, you know. And the government of the earth feed the earth. They are all human beings and animals. See me?
Babylon put too much put too much focus on
Yeah, them
money.
are the concrete
Put
jungle.
too much focus on money.
You know, Babylon just to keep down the youth, you know, for the generation, God generation. I
Too
know,
much focus on money.
I see God generation, Babylon try to cut them down. And we know that from we have sense, we know that Babylon try to cut down the generation. They don't want too much generation, them alone who walk from east to north and west to south. They don't want no man to put up on the land and say for them. Them alone must fly the plane go over way what's up and say for them it and come back. That's Columbus style, like, you know.
Do you really think Jamaica will go back to a more simpler form of life? Because let me tell you, when the road them build up in a, one time I go up in the bush and I say to them, you know, say, we feel left them road and build, because when things start move too fast, yeah, so you know, it's like a machine system, them are built on the earth. You see them move too fast, like light, from highway.
Yeah, you have to know, China. I wish all the vehicles built to 30 speed limit. All vehicles built to 30 speed limit. You can't, your bucky can't go more than 30. Can't go more than 30. But the system is about killing cars. The man build up a machine and say, oh, he want a hospital yourself. Or he want a life place yourself to keep man when they broke up. A man and think to go and to build a vehicle where can keep you safe. A man build a vehicle who can do 600 miles per hour. And when you do 600 miles per hour, you crash with that. What that? That is the bone you can find out like that.
Well, time is of the essence.
Yeah, you
Make
need.
could push it to 60 miles.
Yeah.
30 is
Yeah,
a grandmother
no.
thing. I'm not deal with the grandmother thing.
No, you see now.
Move fast.
You see
Like,
now.
if you tell that girl, tell her, come
You see
over
now.
at 3 miles late. You have to cut the time short.
You see now.
No girl now wait for 30 days you come over. Believe me, thing.
Yeah, no. If you want to go fly fast, you can take a plane, man. You don't take a
I'm not
car or
running
a
a
truck.
plane. Me
You
not
don't
running
take no
a
truck or no car or no plane.
60 miles, man. We say speed limit.
Take a
60
boat.
miles. 60 miles.
You know, you take a boat, man.
32, look.
The faster you can go, the faster speed limit them up on the sea and in the air.
Yeah.
Not on land.
32, look.
Yeah, most of people were dead after this
Speed.
land, speed building that. I mean, none of them dead so much in the air. 1 or 2 times plane crash and you say who are them
It's
dead.
not cost effective. We can't get what that fly right now. Fuel too high.
Yeah, fluid, everything will get high.
Yeah. They say from Montego Bay to Germany to the airport, you have to have like 50 tons.
Well, right now,
Just like that.
well, right
It's
now,
10 hours you have to be in the air.
if they give my youth, when they build the car right here, we pay water run. We don't have to worry we sell but no damn fluid. Because then the youth they build the car run up and pay water. So I'm going to be some plane with people water running. Or solar system running.
You're right, Babylon. Can't you?
No man, the whole system is that they can't do that, man, then we get out go. People what have use it and then everybody are rich.
But we still have to use gas.
Everybody can't rich, you know. That's the thing, you know. Everybody can't rich.
We have to use gas in the way that
If everybody rich, then who go to farming?
Whoa. A rich man to farming. I don't understand. A rich people to farming.
No, man.
Yeah, me I say, man. Me I say, me know enough poor people to farming, man. We don't have enough. Can't buy fertilizers, they ain't go the organic way. They get the old skin of this and dash in a hole and plant. You understand? Me not say rich man no rich enough for farming, but as you can see, the young man them. So them not do farming, you know. Them actually spend and then pay man for work. We talk about real farmer.
Oh, yeah. That
Who go up on the field, go walk himself.
Yeah.
No, in 20 acres and himself.
Yeah, that me I talk about.
Like for your uncle. What uncle name?
Baba.
Uncle Baba. In 10 acres land and a pay yam. You don't know the real farmer them, man. The man that scrape a crops for the them thing. And straight farming them man say, them man do 100 yam a day. Because man say them land they kind of soft in Westmoreland land, you know. And Manchester land is soft. But you think if you don't have no power to move it, guys. It's soft. Westmoreland land, you can't do more chain of land for a day because wood root and stone and St. Elizabeth man you miles upon miles in the farming, you know. It's a blessed land, you know. Manchester, blessed place, man. The food.
Yeah, Sensi is like the girl to Manchester, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are the man and Sensi are the woman. So we are the balance.
Yeah. Miss St.
Portland and St. Mary. Port are the man, St. Mary are the woman.
Yeah, man.
So there's a balance over there,
Mary,
so.
balance. The balance.
You never know this?
No,
Yeah, man. Westmoreland a male, you know.
You see me?
Mr. West away a male, you know.
Am I male?
Yeah, man, Mr. West, man.
Who are the female beside it?
Hanover, man.
Oh, it's
Miss
Mr.
Hanover.
Hanover. People don't know them as they know. Even the land balance in Jamaica, male and female side by side.
Yeah, man.
Manchester, man.
Wicked Sham go Hanover and I quiet, you know. Down the side of western side, you know. Nobody ramp with Lucy, yeah. But here about Lucy, yeah, my biggest sham in that place.
I know because the earth is black.
Yeah, man, Westmoreland and Hanover are black, man. But they have red side same way. But not the rest of the black side and West and Hanover. Dangerous for them to bear the food. Well, you can't dig it, you can't tractor. Big ugly food, you want to agree with go
Well,
up.
you look like you want me to do the show and travel the whole Jamaica to put a point on the map and so they're Negril now. Jamaica good life, all over Jamaica still. I know that's Negril. I'm going to go Manchester and St. Mary.
Jamaica life. Good life, huh?
Yeah man, I promote that, I push that.
Nice.
The whole of Jamaica have them roads.
Every place.
Yeah, every area.
Everywhere is special.
have them roads.
Even Kingston,
Kingston have them roads.
very special, you know. I'm going to tell you why Kingston is special.
Kingston mango them in a stop beer. The best mango them in the world. And I quiet.
Under pressure.
Because the heat up there and the amount of people up there make the mango them beer sweet and people don't see the blessings inside. No. They will go buy sugar same way. Just get some mango and blend it to the water and have it to drink. A beverage that in the man, straight sugar. You can't even blend the mango and have it make your cake when you want to make anything you want to make. Because sugar in the mango already. Sugar in the pumpkin. Sugar in the orange. Sugar in the banana.
So Kingston mango beer all the time.
All the time, man. You know, if I have fluid or gas or a vehicle, or the heat or the tar or the baba green or but mango straight, ready to roll. 24/7 the mango run the house back. No man what talk about that. Yeah, the mango always there. Yeah, a man is a man food. Man mean woman and man. Food to the all the time. Killer run back KFC, we now see the mango can cook curry them. Boil, scrape, or anything we want to do with mango. Mango can do it. But people don't respect it. They say, yeah, about food. We don't want to say about food. Enough Jamaican men don't eat mango, eh? Yeah. Prefer the KFC. We don't say KFC is nice, but it's a poison.
Real Jamaican time.
Yeah, man.
All the food that come through.
Come here now.
How long with the pan it now?
Good look while.
Good look a while.
And me not see no chef.
Chef can run, God.
Nobody don't help you.
Nobody that help me.
Yeah, man.
Everybody disappear.
Yeah, man.
What we decide is we don't see nobody.
You know what though? You drop some wisdom power still. Give thanks for the wisdom, man. Blessings,
The
man.
key out now. Because wisdom is something that's more than a fast time to generate.
It's not like a fancy day. It's kind of from day one, it's not a fancy thing. You understand? People say, boy, okay, me can cook or me can just show people, say, look here. Hidden things are around the corner, what people don't really see. You understand? They only look on the news where it impacts it for crime, this, crime, that, but they don't really see. There's some nice people there same way who can show them, say, boy, we are live and we're happy and we are going the same way and motivate others. You understand? And do it for people same way.
So nobody not show the good side.
Yeah, people now want to show the good side. As I say, a man do 100 good enough, 99 good enough, and the one good we're missing.
Wow.
They say, boy, you mess up, you do this, you do that.
Yeah,
You understand? So at the end of the day, people mostly attached to the negativity. You understand? As you slip up, you slide. That's one of my favorite talk in Jamaica. Just slip, you slide. So people just will watch you and watch as they see you slip. They don't see when you do good enough. The moment you slip, all over the media, man. You're quiet. Career done. You understand
So
what I'm saying?
Jamaica kill one or two people,
Yeah,
you
man.
get one or two violence,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
one or two devastation there, and the whole country
Yeah, man.
done,
Yeah, man.
workless,
Yeah, man.
can't go there,
Can't go there.
can't move
That
back.
me I try to show you.
And
At best.
And for things say over the
Yes.
other part of the world, when I kill man pass subway and them still go work.
Man, I jump in front of chain. Because they stress out. But
When I
they
show
still.
them picnic in a
Oh,
school,
yeah, say, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, I say that.
in a shopping mall.
It's spoiled now worldwide, you know. But Jamaican kind of food, kind of roots, them foodless and grandma and grandpa slave a lot for this land. We stay happy for this land. Then if you come on and say, I love Babylon things, make Babylon stay with them money and them things, cause gold and diamond and for we already, we have it. We African, you know, man. Them things grow like a mall or dirt on the hillside, you know, man. We have it, you know, man. But because we don't put ourselves towards it, we just sit down and say, boy, the dad will come give you this and that. No, man, you have to find yourself to that.
So the mindset is Babylon mindset the youth them have. Because them are rush out for money like money are God.
Yeah.
So that's what you're saying to them, a Babylon mindset them have, you know, Babylon mind them have, you know.
Babylon.
Them not even all them African mind, that's why I ring some 2,000 book for them.
The greatest chariot are 2 foot, you know. Man, I run down Benz and Beamer.
Greatest chariot 2 foot, health, humility,
But you can move.
and strength.
Yeah,
We tell you something,
more
man.
than a Benz
We
and
tell you
a
something.
Beamer.
Me humble, you know why? When we go up on the plane up there, me have been there on the plane for 10 hours. Me look down on the side and I say, man, me can't come out of this thing, man. I want to come out. You know value. You know value more than people to me. I want to come out of it. I want to see me yard. I want to see me people them. You understand? So no matter where you go in life, man, once you're humble, you realize that nothing of value more than the love for people. Nothing at all. Me see people are driving car and come out the road, they see. They have to come out of it and make somebody else drive. They want me to kill myself back. You understand? It don't make no sense, no logical. Humble yourself. Because Jamaica small, you see people hype, so because guess what? They don't see road for drive from. They have to come out of that and make somebody else drive. You understand? So people have to go out and see. You ride the world and see. And you're humble. So then you will see different things. You understand?
Travel,
Straight up.
experience.
Straight up.
I've been to Africa.
That's why I'm being like this. I'm happy.
Yeah,
Treat people with respect.
yeah.
Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters.
Travel. See other race, culture, you have to respect them and keep moving.
Still love it than nobody.
No.
I still don't like Italian. I still love my cave side and my seaside and my
Italian?
river side.
Yeah.
Yeah, me send you go and come back.
Yeah, man.
I will stay. I'm a living hills man, you know. I prefer the mountain side looking down. I don't like the flat, you know, but come boy, you have to stay on the flat to survive. Yeah, mountain man, you know.
Hey, you know, sir, if the Almighty make it big, we're going to make the farm, you know. But first, you what? You come into Manchester, you build my temple, you hear me say? That is the first move. You and Trusty are come with me, you know. We had a vision this morning. We did a drive by that we get a rental for 2 days. And me and Trusty, I go up in the mountain, you know. And when you see me land and see the hills, you say, run. And so you say, you know, so I come and see a pickaxe there, come and go do this.
Yeah, I'm my favorite tool.
So we want more on to come join them, man. So we can really show Jamaicans the good life. We want to re-engineer the mind of the youth them, give them the African history, start farm and tell them the importance, show them the health benefits of different things, right? And go into more studies, because them just step on one level, one different
They are going to
years.
read about a daytime. Tell yourself you're not born with 9 months. You beg 9 months out of slip and save them $50, $100.
Repeat that again, what you say now?
Save them $100 and them $50. So you're not born with 9 months. And buy some seed and fertilizer and go plant it yourself, find a head and kick back and plant it. It means some important food you plant like broccoli, cauliflower. Because when you sell them, you get a good food off of it. When you sell them, people buy it for you, and you need it. If you don't have nothing, you can't sell nothing.
You might never go back to farm.
You have to farm you out, because here and now, you're hungry, you eat Babylon things that will kill you.
Kill, death. We promote life. No death. So yes, a big man, big chef of all time. Almighty bless you. Cook that time of night. Over shape. No black pepper and salt. You don't see no black pepper for them, man. You don't put black pepper on it.
Everything I'm going on it, man.
Supplement your night,
Because
because it up and supplement all over.
we just put it in it,
Black
man.
pepper no good.
It's still going on it, man. Look at black pepper I'm going on it.
Hey, black pepper because we never know what going on.
What is it, what is it?
Black pepper we never know what going on, man. Black pepper poison the mankind them. The woman if eat it, a man. We have natural pepper can buy it.
What is it? Black pepper poison?
Yeah man, grain up man, you go down for you man, you don't get a kidney stone, you get all that or something man.
Alright, so cook it out.
Yeah man, you have to eat the natural pepper man. Black pepper or something with
Process.
If the black pepper on time, if you go in and go one side of the pot, you just draw and take out. The more time gone down in your system and you eat it time gone on your pee way, gone on your liver way, kidney way, come through, it's thick. The blood, you stop up some part of you, man.
Yeah.
The jugs.
It's kind of like a fine stone that
Yeah,
goes
right.
through
So
the
you
body.
just avoid that. That's easier. Because when you're born, you know, remember make food, you know, whole life full of time, and I want to say time sweet and nice. And we don't know, so that jugs, because it's very strong when you go and you black up some part, and every part go to the feces part, and every part go to some half straight go towards the urinary.
Yeah.
And right there, so I have a problem with so. Too much ackee with oil, no good neither, you know.
Mhm.
The ackee 100% the oil, you know.
Mhm.
So sometimes you cook it, you know, no oil, you know. Just want a little season on it, you know, we eat and we gone. You know. And I really last time, man, you know, cooking either, we just pick it up and chew and eat at the same time.
Yes.
Because we know, so
Wow.
we not more 6 a hit.
90%.
Six little peg a hit that you don't very well strong. So we eat a piece of ackee, we eat a piece of pear, we eat a ripe banana, we eat a peanut, we drink some water and a gully. It's nice, we eat, you know, we don't nothing more, you know. Yeah, man, we nice, man. Yeah. Over food if we eat, but you have to just pick and choose, you know. Yeah. We have to farm them mostly, we can farm them for yourself better. Yeah.
Summer right thing.
Don't live and now make the butterfly them eat and the bees them eat. The bees and the fly and the butterfly and the bird and the rat and the eat cereal and ants. So like one of the yellow one want to eat.
Chef, what you say?
I serious, take him at that, man.
Hey. We give thanks for your guidance and protection, dear General. But the chef right there, so I make we eat and I make the provisions. So we give thanks for your time and your energy. This will bless other people all over the world. But we make my belly full right now. I can't sell fish from the chef. I'm going to taste this today. And I drink. Yes, sir. So, cut up some mango for me now, my lad. Can you please? Slice up the mango here for me now. No, man, I'll eat it this morning, man. I'll eat it.
Oh, eat it natural.
I'll eat some avocado too.
I want to eat natural.
Yo, I love the place down here, sir, you know.
Yeah, man.
I love it, man. I love the West. I love it. It's a pleasure to meet you guys. Let me give you some beer.